I have a serious question for you. Let's assume a situation where you have option to choose a house between renting or leasing. Having said that, you have no lump sum amount to pay, but at the end of 3 years, you need to save, let's say 7 lakh rupees. It can be anything in your case. All you have is one active source of income, which is your job. If you are wondering how, then here is how this person A chose to do and person B chose to do. After 3 years, the person B went on to meet all his needs and have saved the money as well. But person A did just like what exactly most people would do. Generally, we have two ways to rent any house. Number 1, which is renting a house, and number 2, which is leasing a house. In case of renting, you pay a fixed amount of money for the use of house periodically to a landlord or the owner in return for the use, which is called renting. Leasing, which is when you pay a huge lump sum amount of money at the beginning of your stay at their home, or a contract granting use of property during a specified period in exchange for a specified amount of money, which is called leasing. As we discussed already, the person A chose to rent a house while the person B chose to lease a house. The fixed amount, which is rent the person A paying per month, is 20,000 rupees to the owner. The lump sum amount the person B needs to pay to lease a house is 7 lakh rupees. When the person B started searching for a lease house, he did not have the 7 lakh rupees. So what he did was that he went to the bank and took a personal loan of 7 lakh rupees. That money he gave to the owner. Whereas the person A started renting the house by paying 20,000 rupees per month to the owner. So as the person B has taken a loan, in the meantime he continued to pay the loan EMI to the bank at the rate of 22,999 per month for the next 3 years. So at the end of 3 years, when his lease expired and his loan got paid back, the owner had to give him 7 lakh rupees. Now the person B has 7 lakh rupees cash in hand, for which he can take another brand new lease house. Because he has cash in hand, in fact for the rest of his life he never have to pay rent again. He can keep adding small sums of money to this 7 lakhs that he already have. If you are thinking how this 22,999 per month loan EMI amount any different from the rent that the person A is currently paying, here is the rent model. As we know, the person A is paying 20,000 per month to the owner. From the past 3 years, that money is never going to come back. It is completely lost. In fact, in the last 3 years, the person A would have paid 7,20,000 rupees while making zero profit. Here is the person A at the end of 3 years. Total rent paid for the complete 3 years. Person B at the end of 3 years. Total rent paid for the complete 3 years. Savings. Savings. Did you find this video useful? Then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video and hit the bell icon to get notified. It's completely free. I would love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment on this video and it will get a response.